watch my toy car. No engine, no battery, and nobody touching it. 3, 2, 1. It is rolling uphill.
And for my next trick, it stops. Right there, mid-slope, no hands anywhere.
Cars do not roll uphill, and they do not park on slopes. Who is pulling it?
Someone invisible. 4 invisible forces run this playground. They pull things, grip things, spring things, and drag things.
4 invisible forces. Working on my car. Working on me right now?
One of them is holding you to the ground this very second. Subscribe, and by the end you will catch all 4, like a detective. Ladies and gentlemen, stunt number 1. I climb to the top of the slide, and I let go of this toy car.
Easy. It falls. Everything falls. Even you grip, and you have sticky gecko feet.
That falling has a name. Gravity. A pull between the earth and everything on it. It never switches off.
Gravity quiz then. My heavy school bag against one scrunched paper ball. The bag falls faster, right? Heavier means faster.
Galileo wondered the same thing 400 years ago. Legend says he dropped 2 balls off a tall tower to check. Heavy bag against paper ball. Drop together. Which one lands first? Let us pause here for 8 seconds.
I tried it. They landed together. My arm feels betrayed. Heavier does not fall faster?
Gravity pulls everything down at the same rate. Air can slow flat paper, but scrunch it into a ball and the race is a tie.
So my brain had the right idea. Wrong ending. Falling is gravity. Then what slows my car down on flat ground?
Stunt number 2. Roll the car across the carpet. Now, roll it across the tiles. Same push. Watch both.
The carpet car stopped almost immediately. The tile car sailed across the whole room.
That invisible drag is friction. 2 surfaces rubbing against each other. Rough carpet rubs hard. Smooth tiles rub gently.
So, friction is the force that hates motion. It always drags backwards against the movement.
My gecko toes are friction champions. Millions of tiny grips. That is why I can do this. Observe, I stick to the wall.
Show off. Force number 3, please.
Stunt number 3. 1 rubber band stretched between 2 posts. I press the car back against it and release.
The car launched across the playground. The rubber band threw it.
Elastic spring force. Stretch or squash a springy thing, and it pushes back to return to its shape. Rubber bands, springs, trampolines.
Gravity pulls, friction drags, elastic springs back. That is 3. But none of them rolled my car uphill.
Stunt number 4, the grand reveal. Look under the ramp. 1 magnet taped underneath, sliding along. 1 small magnet hidden inside your car.
The whole uphill mystery was a magnet pulling my car from below the ramp?
Magnetic force. Magnets pull magnetic metals like iron and steel and push or pull other magnets. No touching needed.
Wait, gravity did not need touching either. The magnet does not need touching, but friction needs surfaces rubbing.
You spotted the secret pattern. Some forces act from a distance, some only act on contact. That difference hides in many exam questions. Now, bring your detective eyes to a real playground. 4 forces, hiding in plain sight. Spot them with me.
The slide. I climb up, I zoom down. That is gravity pulling me. No engine needed.
And you do not shoot off like a rocket because the slide rubs against you. Friction is your invisible brake.
Is that why my school shoes have bumpy rubber patterns underneath? Extra rubbing?
Exactly! Grip like a gecko! It is also why Hawker Center's mop spills fast, water steals friction, and feet start skating.
So, a wet floor sign is really a low friction warning sign.
Next stop, the trampoline park. Every single bounce is a stunt built from two forces taking turns.
Gravity pulls me down onto the net. The stretched net springs back and throws me up. Elastic spring force.
Down by gravity, up by elastic force, over and over. Your bicycle brakes are friction too, squeezing the wheel until it stops.
And magnets? I've never bounced on a magnet.
Your fridge door seals shut with a magnetic strip. Pencil cases snap closed. In Shanghai, maglev trains float on magnets, wheels never touching.
A floating train. No touching means no friction. Nothing rubbing to slow it down. That is why it flies.
4 invisible forces running your whole day. Subscribe now, because next we open the exam picture and catch every force they hid inside. Puzzle time! The exam setters love one-picture question. It shows an object and asks you to name the forces acting on it.
Sounds easy. I look at the picture and write down what I see moving.
That is the trap. The biggest force never looks like it is moving anything. Most students name one force and leave marks behind.
Then how do I catch them all?
The 4-force scan. Scan 1 is the object on Earth. Then gravity is pulling it down. Write it first, every single time.
Even if the object is just sitting still on a table?
Especially then. Gravity never switches off. Scan 2, or surfaces touching. Friction. Scan 3, anything stretched or squashed. Elastic spring force.
And scan 4. Any magnets nearby. Gravity, friction, elastic, magnetic. 4 scans and no force escapes me.
Try it. The picture shows a boy sliding down a slide. Name every force acting on him. Let us pause here for 8 seconds.
Scan 1, gravity, pulling him down. Scan 2, friction, where he touches the slide. Scan 3, nothing stretched. Scan 4, no magnets. 2 forces.
Full marks! Most students write gravity and stop. The friction mark just sits there, unclaimed.
What other traps do they set?
The wording trap. A student writes, the slide gives the boy force. Objects do not give or keep force. Forces act between things.
So I write, gravity acts on the boy, and friction acts between the boy and the slide. Name the force. Name where it acts.
One more. What can forces actually do? The exam wants 3 effects. Change speed, change direction, change shape.
My rubber band car had all 3. It sped up, it flew a new way, and the band changed shape when stretched.
Spot the force! Say where it acts, state what it changes. Those 3 moves turn the picture question into free marks.
Tonight, run the carpet race yourselves. 1 toy car, push it across carpet, then across tiles with the same push.
The car that stops first just lost to friction. You measured an invisible force with your own hands.
And tomorrow at the playground, I will sit at the top of the slide and salute. Gravity, my old rival. Ready when you are.
Careful, my friend. Gravity always wins. That is why I never let go of the wall.
Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun learning today.
If you did, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one. Happy studying!